In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my Stitchfix cart before checkout. To get started, open the official Stitchfix website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account so you can see your personalized shopping experience and any items you've already saved or added. Once you're in, head over to Stitchfix Freestyle. This is where you can browse personalized items available for direct purchase. Take a moment to look through the recommendations and choose an item you want to buy. When you find something you like, open the product page, select the correct size, and choose any other options that may be available. After that, add the item to your shopping bag. Now that you've added something, go to your cart by clicking the bag icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open your shopping bag so you can review everything you've selected before moving forward. At this stage, carefully check each item in your cart. Look at the item name to make sure it's the exact product you intended to add. Then confirm the size, the quantity, and the listed price. It's also a good idea to look for any discounts or special offers that may already be applied. This step helps prevent small mistakes, especially if you were browsing quickly or comparing multiple items. If you see anything you no longer want, remove it from the bag. If you're not ready to buy something yet but don't want to lose track of it, you can save it for later instead. That way your cart stays organized and only includes the items you're ready to purchase now. Next, review your order total. Check the subtotal and any discounts that have been applied and make sure the amount matches what you expect to pay. This is an important final check before going to checkout. When everything in the bag looks correct, select checkout. On the final checkout page, go through your order details one more time. Confirm your shipping information, review your payment method, and check the final total. If you have a promotion code, enter it and apply it. Then verify that the discount appears correctly in the updated total before you continue. Once you've verified all the details, you can submit the order. Taking a minute to review your cart and checkout page helps you avoid ordering the wrong item, the wrong size, or paying more than expected. And that's how to check your Stitch Fix cart before checkout.